Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reboot POCO M7. Okay, the process is really easy. All we need to do is to launch the power menu first, and then we do it by clicking the power key and volume up button at the same time. And now select the reboot function and release your finger. Now your device will be turned off, and after a few seconds it will be automatically turned on again and the phone will be ready to use. Also, I'll tell you that rebooting your device from time to time is good for your device's health, because basically during that process our phone rests. Also the RAM gets freed up, so it's worth to do from time to time. Also, if you have some issues with your apps, for example, once I had a situation that one of my apps didn't want to launch at all, and that was the moment when I have performed a reboot and everything started working properly. So if you have some issues like that, you can try to reboot your phone and everything should be working okay. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.